Hi everybody, this is Patti and I'm coming to you this morning. How's each and every one of you doing? I hope all is well with you all. And what I'm about to make is a delicious banana cake. And I'm going to give you the ingredients of the cake. I will be using 2.5 cups of cake flour. And this is it, Swan's Down cake flour, 2.5 cups. Okay, now you can use 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And I will be using, Alexa, stop, excuse me y'all. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2/3 cup of milk, and I have 4 ripened bananas mashed in the bowl here, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of applesauce, and 1/4 cup of salted butter. I'm using salted butter, so therefore I won't use salt. And this is the filling of the cake. Now, I will be frosting the cake, and I'll just tell you the ingredients. I'll be using 16 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 2 cups of confectionate sugar. I will preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll be using 2 9-inch round pans. And I will tell you, and these are the pans that I'm using. You can use 8-inch, but I'm using 2 9-inch pans. Okay, so I'll come back when I get it all together and tell you what I'm doing. Okay? Okay, y'all, I'm back with the batter for the banana cake. In this mixing bowl here, I have 2.5 cups of sifted Swan Down flour. And this is the flour that I use, okay? 2.5 cups of sifted flour. So now I have my, in this mixing bowl, I have my sugar, 1.5 cups of sugar, and I have butter, and that is 1/4 cup of salted butter that I'm beating in this bowl. And I'm gonna beat it until it is light and fluffy. Once it is light and fluffy, I am going to put in my 2 eggs one at a time. Right now I'm getting this batter light and fluffy. Okay, after I put in the 2 eggs one at a time, then I will pour in my bananas and my applesauce. And I have 4 well-ripened bananas smashed that I'll be putting in, and I will be adding my applesauce, 1/4 cup of applesauce. And here is the 4th cup of applesauce. And I have my bananas already smashed in the bowl. And that will go in after my 2 eggs. And I have 2 eggs. Let me show you 2 eggs. And I'll be putting them in one at a time. 2 eggs. Okay, and then after I add the eggs in and the bananas, then I will put in the flour alternately with the milk. And you know, I told you I have 2.5 cups of Swan Down flour, and I sifted it. And the milk that I have is 2/3 cup of milk, 2/3 cup of milk. And after that process, I'll beat it until it is creamy, and then I will be pouring the batter in 2 9-inch pans, baking pans. And I have my oven preheated on 300 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will come back when I add everything in. Okay, I brought you back in to see the butter and sugar. And I'm going to beat it a little bit more, but I want you to see it's supposed to be light and fluffy. Now, I added a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a fourth of a teaspoon of butter extract because I think it would just add flavor. I added those ingredients myself. So I'm going to beat it a little more, and then I will bring you back when I get ready to add the other ingredients.